Ready to escape to a land of rolling hills, historic towns, and mouth-watering cuisine, Tuscany is calling, and it's more magical than you ever imagined. In this video, we're uncovering the top 10 breathtaking sights and experiences in Tuscany, Italy. From enchanting medieval villages to iconic vineyards and picture-perfect landscapes, this is the ultimate guide to one of the world's most beautiful regions. Whether you're planning your dream getaway or just love a little travel inspiration, you won't want to miss what's coming up. Coming in at number 10, the Ponte Vecchio is more than just a bridge. It's a journey through time. This 14th century gem in Florence spans the Arno River, its iconic arches framing views straight out of a Renaissance painting. Once bustling with butchers and tanners, today it's a haven for boutique shops selling sparkling jewelry and timeless treasures. Pause in the middle to soak in the golden glow of the Tuscan sun as it dances on the water below. The Ponte Vecchio isn't just a sight, it's an unforgettable experience that captures the magic of Tuscany. At number 9, the Cathedral of Santa Maria del Fiore, or Florence's Duomo, stands as a masterpiece of art and engineering. Its massive red dome, designed by Brunelleschi, dominates the city's skyline and is a marvel you have to see to believe. Step inside and you're greeted by intricate frescoes and a sense of grandeur that whispers stories from centuries past. Climb to the top for a breathtaking view of Florence, where terracotta rooftops stretch to the Tuscan hills. The Duomo isn't just a building, it's the heart of Florence and a testament to human ingenuity, making it a must-see in Tuscany. At number 8, the Basilica of Santa Croce in Florence is more than just a church. It's a treasure trove of history and art. Known as the Temple of the Italian Glories, this stunning Gothic basilica is the final resting place of legends like Michelangelo, Galileo, and Machiavelli. Step inside to admire its soaring arches, intricate frescoes by Giotto, and the serene beauty of its cloisters. Outside, the vibrant square buzzes with life, offering a perfect spot to soak in Florence's charm. The Basilica of Santa Croce isn't just a sight, it's a journey through Italy's cultural soul, making it a must-visit in Tuscany. Coming in at number 7, San Gimignano is Tuscany's medieval time capsule, often called the Town of Fine Towers. Perched on a hilltop, its skyline is dotted with 14 striking towers that have stood tall since the 13th century, offering a glimpse into a bygone era. As you wander its cobblestone streets, you'll feel like you've stepped into a fairy tale. Explore Piazza della Cisterna, a picturesque square surrounded by historic buildings. And don't miss the world-famous gelato from Gelateria Dondoli, it's worth the hype. The surrounding vineyards and olive groves only add to its magic, making San Gimignano not just a destination, but an experience that captures the very essence of Tuscany's charm and history. At number 6, the Cascate del Mulino in southern Tuscany is nature's gift to relaxation. These stunning hot springs near the town of Saturnia are famous for their cascading thermal pools carved into smooth limestone by centuries of flowing water. The mineral-rich waters, naturally heated to a soothing 37 degrees Celsius, 98 degrees Fahrenheit, are believed to have healing properties. Imagine soaking in these turquoise pools, surrounded by rolling Tuscan hills and the gentle sound of rushing water. It's pure bliss. And the best part? Cascate del Mulino is free to visit, offering a serene escape without breaking the bank. It's the perfect blend of natural beauty and tranquility, making it a must-see for anyone exploring Tuscany. At number 5, the charming town of Pienza is a Tuscan gem straight out of a postcard. Known as the ideal Renaissance city, Pienza was designed to be a utopia by Pope Pius II in the 15th century. Its harmonious streets and elegant architecture make it a dream to explore. Stroll through the quaint alleys, stopping at Piazza Pio II, where the cathedral and palaces create a perfect Renaissance tableau. And the views, simply breathtaking. Rolling hills dotted with cypress trees stretch as far as the eye can see. Oh, and don't leave without tasting the town's famous pecorino cheese. Pienza is a feast for the senses and a true highlight of Tuscany. At number 4, the Tower of Pisa is one of the most iconic landmarks in the world. And it's more than just a leaning tower. Located in the Piazza dei Miracoli, or Square of Miracles, this architectural wonder has stood for over 800 years, defying gravity and captivating visitors with its quirky tilt. Originally built as a bell tower, the lean began during construction due to soft ground, but engineering ingenuity has kept it standing ever since. Climbing its 294 steps rewards you with incredible panoramic views of Pisa and beyond. The tower's unique charm, coupled with the beauty of the surrounding cathedral, baptistry, and lush green lawns, makes it a picture-perfect destination. The Tower of Pisa isn't just a bucket list spot, it's a testament to Tuscany's rich history and timeless appeal. At number 3, the Siena Cathedral is a masterpiece of Gothic architecture that will leave you speechless. Nestled in the heart of Siena, this stunning cathedral, or Duomo di Siena, is a feast for the eyes inside and out. Its striped black and white marble facade is striking, but step inside and you'll discover a treasure trove of artistic wonders. From the intricate mosaic floors depicting biblical scenes to the breathtaking Piccolomini library with its vibrant frescoes, every corner of this cathedral tells a story. Look up, and you'll see the stunning dome adorned with golden stars, a celestial vision that feels almost otherworldly. And for an unforgettable experience, climb the Gate of Heaven tour to enjoy panoramic views of Siena's medieval skyline and rolling Tuscan hills. The Siena Cathedral isn't just a sight, it's a journey through art, history, and spirituality, making it one of Tuscany's true marvels. At number 2, the enchanting city of Lucca offers a blend of history, charm, and relaxation that feels straight out of a storybook. Encircled by Renaissance-era walls, this Tuscan gem invites you to step back in time while exploring its cobblestone streets and elegant piazzas. One of Lucca's most iconic experiences is walking or cycling along the tree-lined walls, offering stunning views of the city and surrounding countryside. Inside the city, you'll find treasures like Piazza dell'Anfiteatro, a uniquely oval-shaped square built on the remains of an ancient Roman amphitheatre. Marvel at the towering Gimignano Tower, crowned with a garden of oak trees, or lose yourself in the grandeur of Lucca Cathedral, home to exquisite artworks. And don't miss the vibrant cafes and shops tucked away in every corner. With its timeless beauty and laid-back charm, Lucca captures the heart and soul of Tuscany, making it a must-see destination. At number 1, the Val d'Orcia is the embodiment of Tuscany's dreamlike beauty, a landscape so picturesque it feels like stepping into a Renaissance painting. Rolling hills covered in golden wheat, cypress-lined roads that wind like ribbons, and charming medieval villages make this valley unforgettable. Located in southern Tuscany, the Val d'Orcia is a UNESCO World Heritage Site for its stunning vistas and its influence on Renaissance art. Imagine starting your day in Pienza, the ideal city, then heading to Montalcino to sip world-famous Brunello wine, all while surrounded by breathtaking scenery. One of the most iconic sights is the Chapel of Vitellata, a tiny church perched alone on a hill framed by cypress trees. It's the stuff of postcards and Instagram dreams. The Val d'Orcia isn't just a place to see, it's a place to feel. Its serene beauty and timeless charm make it the ultimate Tuscan experience and a fitting finale to our journey. Thanks for joining me on this journey through Tuscany's top 10 breathtaking sights. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more incredible travel adventures. See you in the next video. Ciao!